Today we'll start with a simple self-introduction again. If this feels difficult, check out my previous videos too.
Hello, こんにちは。My name is Michael. 私の名前はマイケルです。My hobby is playing the guitar. 私の趣味はギターを弾くことです。Let's check the word sentence by sentence. 私の means my 趣味 means hobby. What it means is guitar means guitar. 弾くこと means playing guitar. 弾くこと means playing the guitar. My hobby is playing the guitar. 私の趣味はギターを弾くことです。Now let's put everything together and say it all at once. こんにちは。